everybody's chasing views on YouTube, but here's the ugly truth. Views don't pay your bills. In fact, I've seen creators with millions of views and they're still struggling to land a single client. Today, I'll show you why this obsession is killing your sales and the exact metrics that turn one client's channel into 200 inbound leads with a 30% conversion rate. Funny story, I recently had to tell our clients that the views went by 25% down. The good news was, though, that we had 20% more sales than all the record month before. And this just is giving you the story that not every view is equal to sales. Like each view is different. And we also can see that I talked recently to a YouTube strategist who's helping a creator with 1 million subscribers. And they said they could triple their views to 3-4 million views, but their sales went down by 25%. So yeah, if leads, client sales is your business goal, then they're actually working backwards. So this is very, very dangerous. So you need to always be sure what your goal is. If use your goal because you want authority or you want the social proof, fine, go for the views. But if you're a business and you want actual clients, then sometimes looking at the view metric can really hurt you. And you're thinking you're doing the wrong thing, although you're getting the results. And it's sometimes hard because on YouTube, you're always having the 1 of 10, the 2 of 10, and you're like, okay, we have the video which just got 500 views, and I was like, okay, it's only a 4 out of 10. It was not a banger. But then I checked how many clicks we got, and it was actually a banger. So if I wouldn't check this metric, I would have thought that this video was bad. But in fact, this video was one of our best performing videos regarding business results, because this is actually what the audience wants. So it's very, very important. As I said, if I just checked the YouTube metrics, we would never make this video again. Now I told my client, okay, we found now our format, the perfect format for this channel. So what we're going to do is now we're going to double down on this certain format, this certain topic, so that we can constantly attract more clients for their mentorship. Very importantly here. So in the way we see this is actually we're using trackable links, usually UTM parameters. You can do this also very fast through Dub, for example. That's what we use, highly recommended. And then you need to see, okay, which videos are getting the clients and which videos are just attracting curious people. So this is something that can happen. If you're having a video with lots of views, can be maybe that you're just attracting curious people, or it's just a viral trend. So because I see too many people chasing viral videos as well. So now we're having two levers we can pull. We can either try to get more views, or we can try to work on the conversion. And we do this by focusing, as I've said, the right topic. Not every topic gives you the right, the same amount of clicks. Then, for example, I can tell you from our case, we had one video which was hey, you should not make more, the end of shorts. And people got all these queries. We got 800 views, which was a lot for our young channel. But then we have another video which got 200 views, but 20 clicks. So here the conversion is 10%, while the one with the shorts, we got five people clicking. So a very, very low conversion. So now I know, okay, a deep dive is something we should do every 3-4 months. It takes a bit of time, so that's why we can't do it every month. But yeah, because you need to invest a little bit, get more data, get new data, just to keep it a little bit fresh. So, but then I know, okay, this is something I'm gonna keep trying, because I know this is converting so well. Yes, it might not get the most views because I'm attracting here a more specific audience, but I know that these people actually want this, and that's the people I want to help as well. So why do these deep dives though convert so well? Well, it's actually simple. I learned this from Alex Hormozi, and it's give away the secrets for free and sell the implementation. And it's just simple psychology, because first of all, it's if people are going to see this, wow, if this is already for free, imagine how much more he's going to have for his paid program. I mean, obviously, if you're going to be my client, I'm going to even do 150% and try to give you the best implementation. But also, I'm already proving you that, hey, I have the knowledge. I did this in this case study. I did this in this case and this case. So you already know, it's okay. He showed me already the cases that he has done it already, and he's clearly showing that he has the knowledge, and it makes everything makes sense. On the other hand, is also now if even some you might say, I don't want to give too much for free because people can just do it. Okay, these people who just gonna do it, you might not try not like to have as clients. On the other hand, as well, you some of these people might try and they're like, man, that is still too much. You know what? I'd like you to do this for me because you already know what to do. So it's much easier, going to be much faster than when I gonna keep trying this and keep failing. And maybe there's something I'm not seeing because I'm just not an expert like you. So these are the things why you should always do deep dives as well. Just like to build the trust with your audience so that you can actually get them to buy your mentorship, your service, whatever you have to sell. So that said, as I said, you have two levers now to pull. You can either try to always improve your views by improving titles, thumbnails, and the topic. And on the other hand, you can always try to get more clicks because it's a deep dive, maybe because we're having the rule of one, like only sending people to one link and not to 50 links, or also like calling out them directly, say, hey, if you like this whole video, then click on the link because there's even much more for you to see. If you've finally seen why views aren't the metric that matters, the next video is your playbook. I walk you through the full strategy this channel used to make 200,000 from YouTube with just 5,000 subscribers. No viral hooks, just the right videos for the right audience. Click here to watch it now and start making videos that drive sales, not just views.